Hey guys, just a quick video update here. I have been looking at the pound dollar and I'm starting to think there's some pretty good opportunities for a little bit of continued upward movement on this pair. I think we might have a slightly long-term trading opportunity in the works, so it's worth having a look at. Basically where some of my logic and thinking is coming from is, first of all, when we come to the day chart here and we just zoom it out just a little bit, we see that our trend line, which has several points of contact going all the way back here to March, or March, April, May, June, July, and then all the way into August here, so it's been going for several months, starts right here in the middle of March, and we have a tap, and it just kind of is really reacting well to this trend line. And so one thing that I'm looking for, and I think can give us a good longer term buying opportunity, is just a continued run up from this bounce on this trend line right here. It's a really solid level, and the market is really reacting nicely to it. It crawled just right up it for a couple of days, and now it's continuing upward. So I think that should give us something to look at as far as taking it back up to some of these upper levels. Now, if we look at this right here, we see that on this big run down on the week chart, the retracement is right at the 50%, and it came and made a first attempt. This is where we thought the summer breakout was done and that this pair was heading up. Made an attempt at it. It's come back down, bounced off the trend line, and it looks like it may be kind of headed in the direction to make yet another attempt at breaking that. But even if nothing happens, you know, as far as a big break of that 50%, from where it currently stands, it's already about 250 pips away from the 50% retracement level anyway. So I think that could be good. 4-hour chart's looking good. It's bounced off the trend line. It's bounced off the gap for the most part, and bounced off our weekly pivot here, our WS1. And basically what I'm looking to give me some extra confirmation is a nice open above this, our 13 moving average, our blue line right here. If we can get a good 4-hour crossover in the works, I think this thing is headed up to a fair degree, and I think we'll see some good movement out of that. Basically what we want to look for here is we want to see a new Dharma, new daily pivot come out and such, and be able to see this thing continue upward. But everything looks like it's consistent, it's holding strong. Our 1-hour stochastics are very much at the bottom there. Our day stochastics have just hit the bottom. They've crossed over and they're starting to break up above the 20% mark. Everything just kind of looks like it's set up. Dollar news, you know, the dollar took some strength back, but I think it's ready to give it back now. And lose a little bit against the pound. So I think that this pair should have a good opportunity to continue back upward. Maybe not all the way to the highs, which is about 450 pips away up to this almost 7,000 level, but maybe up here to this 50%, give or take, which, you know, could give us a good 200 pips or so. Just something to look at. If it does come back and break this low right here, this will be our determining level to take this thing in, start taking it in the direction of reversal, which is about the 163.80 level. A break of this should take this down nicely, and we'll probably see a new trend kind of starting as that guy breaks. So keep an eye on that, but start looking for some potential opportunities here to take this thing long for a buy. Good luck, everyone. See you soon.